How old is this river, darling? Since you came here? The original river from when the planet was made. I think it's low tide today. It's low tide at the minute. Maybe one day we can go for picnic over here. It's a very nice view, and we can see the main highway. Mabia? We will and there's a nice house in the top. It's very overlooking. Very nice view. That's the ramp boat over there. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, baby. Just nice to go outside and grab some fresh air. Shoalhaven River. It's not outside, Bob. It's not hot. It's not cold. Oh yeah. I think 5 minutes from the house. Walking distance. 16, but it's sunny though.
Yeah, but with the breeze, it's cold.